In this video, I am going to discuss about a trick to remember trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, that means pi by 6, 45 degree, that means pi by 4, 60 degree, that means pi by 3, 90 degree, that means pi by 2. Now, sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, all these types of values, how to find, that I will discuss in another video. This video is only for showing you the trick to remember all of those values. This is the tabular form of all the values. Here, sine 0 degree equal to 0, sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, and so on. Now look at the arrows. Sine 0 degree, cos 90 degree. These two values are same. Sine 30 degree and cos 60 degree, these values are same. Again, sine 45 degree, cos 45 degree are same. Sine 60 degree and cos 30 degree, these values are same. The same sequence we can see for cosec theta and sec theta also. That is, cosec 0 degree is equal to sec 90 degree, cosec 30 degree is equals to sec 60 degree, and so on. Now, how to find the values of tan theta? Here we know a relation tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Hence, whatever the value of theta is, we can find out tan 0 degree value, tan 30 degree value, and so on using this formula. So, tan 0 degree equal to sin 0 degree by cos 0 degree. So, sin 0 degree value we know, cos 0 degree value also we know. If we put them and divide, we will get the value of tan 0 degree. Similarly, tan 30 degree also we can find in same way, and tan 45, tan 60, tan 90, all values we can find out in this method. Now coming to reciprocal relations. Cosec theta and sin theta, they are reciprocal to each other. So cosec theta we can write as 1 by sin theta. Similarly, we can write sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta also. Now, sec theta and cos theta, they are reciprocal to each other. So we can write sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta and tan theta, they are reciprocal to each other. So we can write cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So, if we can remember the values of sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, and sin 90 degree, then all other values we can find out. Now let us come back to the table again. Cosec 30 degree should be equal to 1 by sin 30 degree. So cosec 30 degree should be equal to 1 by 1 by 2. That means the value will give me 2. And in this way, cosec 45 degree, cosec 60 degree we can find out. Similarly, sec 30 degree will be equal to 1 by cos 30 degree. So put the value of cos 30 degree, then find out the value of sec 30 degree, we will get 2 by root 3. And similarly, cot theta also we can find out 1 by tan theta using this relation. Now, for the trick, look at the table. Sin 0 degree equal to 0. So this 0 value we can write as root 0 by 2. Now sin 30 degree, the value is 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 value we can write as root over 1 by 2. Similarly, sin 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. That we can write as root 2 by 2. Sin 60 degree, the value is root 3 by 2. So it is already in that form. Now sin 90 degree value is 1. We can write it as root 4 by 2. Root 4 means 2. So 2 by 2 it will give us 1 value. So now look at the fingers of left hand. Here baby finger I have represented as root 0 by 2, and we will remember it as the value of sin 0 degree. Then ring finger represents root 1 by 2. Middle finger represents root 2 by 2. Index finger represents root 3 by 2, and thumb represents root 4 by 2. So we will remember the sign values in this way. Look, baby finger represents sin 0 degree, ring finger represents sin 30 degree, middle finger represents sine 45 degree, index finger represents sine 60 degree, thumb represents sine 90 degree. Now for cos theta, we will go in the opposite direction. That is, we will start from thumb. So there, thumb will represent our cos 0 degree, index finger will represent our cos 30 degree, and so on. So this trick will be helpful, hope, to all of you, and it is easy to remember also. And thank you very much for watching.